Our school bus is running on the road! Hurry up! The rain is getting heavier! No! We need to move fast!
Welcome, everyone! Today begins the Kids Eco Vehicle Festival.
Papa, look at all these beautiful cars!
Whoever builds the most beautiful eco school bus will win the Eco Builder Trophy.
Papa, can we make a school bus too?
Of course we can. To build something new, we have to use old things in a new way.
These will make our bus. Look at this long tube, Papa.
It's wonderful, son. Our first bus is finally ready.
Now it looks like a real school bus. Yay! Our school bus is running on the road. Wow! How does my new school bus look? Your bus is beautiful too. Let's drive together for a bit. Let's have fun and roam around. Oh no! It looks like rain is coming. Hurry up! The rain is getting heavier. No! We need to move fast.
3, 2, 1, go!
Don't be sad. Today you didn't lose. Today you learned that every failure teaches us something new.
Now we'll build a bus that will last for years.
With all these cans, our bus will be wonderful.
First, all cans must be prepared firmly.
It looks like a real bus now.
Let's do the final touches.
Wow! This is our most beautiful bus ever! Amazing! I've never seen such a beautiful eco school bus before.
This is truly extraordinary work. The design and strength are impressive.
Can someone help us? We can't get to school because of the heavy rain. Don't worry, I will take you to school safely. This bus is so beautiful. Thank you for the ride. Look! Now the rain can't stop us. We're making it to school! Thank you, baby cat! You saved our school day! I want to build eco-friendly cars in the future, just like you. Let's all work together to make the world more beautiful.
The Eco Builder Trophy goes to Baby Cat and Papa Cat. This award is for everyone who believes in recycling and taking care of our planet.
The best car is the one that brings smiles to everyone's faces. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.
See you again in a new great adventure. Let's explore the old railway station today, son.
Papa, look! There is an old train lying here.
Yes, it has become very old and worn out.
Papa, can we make this old train new again?
Of course we can. This time we'll build a train that will give everyone joy.
Papa! What if we use these old cans to decorate our train?
Great idea! We'll give these old cans a new life.
Papa, our train looks just like a magic train now.
This rescue carriage will help us in any emergency.
Papa, our EcoCan mini train is now truly ready. Wow, our train is actually running. Papa? Come on! Everyone is invited to ride our Eco Train! Let's go! Do you all want to go for a ride with us in our Eco Eyes in our Eco Train? Papa, what will we do now? The path is blocked.
Don't worry. Our train is not just for joy. It's also built to help in times of need.
System activated. Let's light up the village.
Wow!
You see, we built a train that can help people in need.
Then its name will be Happy Rescue Train! Before throwing away old things, think, maybe there's a chance to build something new.